Hi, my name is Zachary Fiorido. I'm your trainer. These are some simple leg exercises that you can do whenever, at the gym, at home. You don't need any equipment. If you do want to add intensity, you can always use dumbbells. Simple, effective moves that are going to fire and tone up your legs, glutes, hamstrings, and quads. Give this video a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and let's do the workout. Starting with a warm-up very quickly, just taking your knee, opening and around, finding your balance here as you circle the knee out and around, open and around. Good, so just opening up the hip, getting some mobility in the lower body before we do these moves all together. Just gonna circle up and around, circle. Great. 4 more like this. 4, in 3, in 2, and 1. Little march, knee, opposite hand to thigh, knee and lower. So loading your foot onto the floor, we're already starting to engage the glute. Just by working one leg at a time, you're driving the knee to chest, anchor the foot into the floor. So imagine you're putting all the weight, supporting the body with the foot that's on the floor. And this hand to opposite thigh, if that throws you off, you can just keep your arms down. Just add a little, sensory work into your workouts, so your brain is working as well as your muscles. All right, it's like this thing. I still have a hard time doing that. So tap. These are ways to keep yourself sharp, right, throughout the day. Maybe you're doing this in the morning or at nighttime, keeping you actively engaging with everything. Legs, your brain, your heart. 4 more. Lift the knee. 3, 2, and 1. All right, balance. Take your leg out to the side and together. Out to the side and together. So laterally lifting out and in. Now, like I said in the intro, at any point if you want to increase the workload, you can maybe use a band or dumbbells, as you could do this workout throughout the day or many times. So play around with it, but for this purpose, I'm just showing you with no equipment needed, because you can still get a great and effective workout without using any equipment. 4 more leg lifts. 4, 3, find your balance. 2, and other side. Here we go. So really just focusing on the basics. Squats, lunges, some hinge work as well, some lateral, unilateral work. And I always love to incorporate balance. I just think that's so important throughout everyday life, is to find that balance. Some places, it might be cold outside and it might be ice. So, having that stability if you're walking in any kind of icy areas, or even if we're doing balance work where you're reaching towards the shelf to grab something and you have to go on your tippy toes. I'm always thinking of those kind of things, those kind of scenarios where your balance really comes into effect. So that's what I like to practice. And a lot of people may think otherwise, but that's my goal for you, is to always kind of improve your balance in any of these workouts. 2 more. And 1. All right, let's start with a squat. So open up your knees and toes a little bit wider than hip distance, so a little bit out and nice and controlled, taking some depth, going down and then reaching all the way up. Lower it down for 2 and stand up. So with these squats, try to open your knees, and as we progress through this, you may start to get a little bit lower every time as you can get deeper. That's the goal. Down, down, up, up, keeping your chest tall, sitting your sit bones towards the heels, sit deep into the chair, squat, back up, low, in, high. Good. 4 more. Push off the floor. 3, push the toes, the heels. 2, great. 1, come down. Let's go 3 pulse. So 3, 2, 1, and up. 3, 2, 1, stand tall. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, stand tall, and release. Very good. Lunges. I'm going to turn to my side. Step 1 foot back, load your front foot, lean just softly forward. Don't be too upright, softly we drop the knee, going down, down, up, up. Think 2 counts and lift. Pushing your front foot into the floor as you drive straight on up, down for 2, lift, 2, lower, and up. So find your footing, find your balance. You want that back knee to get low towards the floor. Down, press up, breathe, down, and up. 4 more, you should feel that burn, and lift, 3, and lift, 2, come on up, 1, and up. Good. Turn out, open up your toes and knees before we do the other side. Sumo squat. Coming out, rise on up. So just like the squat, you're now having your knees and toes turned out. And lift. Knees pushing out, squeezing at the top, down. Press. Very good. And up. Feeling the inner thighs. Rising up, lower down, and up. And whatever feels best with your hands. You can have them here, you can have them behind or on your side. I kind of like to hold them on the sides of the body. Let's do 3 pulse now. 3, 2, 1, stand. 3, 2, 1, come up. Very good. 3, 2, 1, and lift. Getting deeper every time. 3, 2, 1. Come up. Push the knees. Push the knees. 2 more. 3, 2, 1. Up. 3, 2, 1. Great. All right. Let's set the feet together. Other side. So other leg for that lunge. Find your footing. Find your position. 3, 2, 1. Drop that knee. Going down, down, up, up. And just want to flow through that. You don't want to feel too robotic with the movement. Dropping that knee, pushing and away. Just think push, push, push. Open, open, lift. Down, 2, and arms can stay wherever you like. Forward, you can maybe do a runner's arms with your legs and arms moving in the same pace, or just arms by your side. Down, down, up, up. Can you push the front foot deeper into that mat? Nice, lift. Lowering down, pressing up. Taking it down, pressing up. A couple more. 4, and lift. 3, and lift. 2. Come on up. 1 more. And stand up tall. Very good. All right, hamstring curls. So standing tall. Let's pivot a little bit to the corner here. Right or left heel behind you, either or. Flex your foot. I want you to curl back, tap the floor. Curl, tap the floor. Curl, tap. Now again, if you need to hold on to something, you can hold on to a chair or hold on to the wall or a desk. You want to focus on bringing the heel, squeeze, lower, squeeze, and lower. Good. 1 and 2. Make sure that supporting knee is softly bent. So the leg that's on the floor, have that leg softly bent with the knee to help you maintain long spine. Great. Curl. Find the footing, find your balance. 8. 6, shoulders down. In 4. 3. Good. 2. Can we pulse it in the sky? 1, 2. This will really challenge your balance. So take a pause whenever. Curl, curl for 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Other side. I'll face you. Shoulders back. Opposite foot. Curling up and down. Now right away you may notice one side is better balanced. This is not my good side. So I really got to find my core. Find the balance work. As you curl, lower the foot. Exhale. Inhale. Good. I hope you are enjoying this workout. It's really firing up. I'm really feeling the thighs, the glutes, the hamstrings, and they're simple moves. That was what my goal was. These are effective moves that you can do every day. You can do them even at work. We have like a 15-minute lunch break. We pop this workout in, do it standing, maybe take a phone call. I know, I kind of want to get one of those walking treadmills when I work at the desk. But I'm already so active as is, and we're walking around downtown, walking to the city, to the gym, to teach my classes, so I don't really need to be doing any more walking. But I would recommend it if you sit at a desk job. It's a great way, right, to get a little bit of exercise. 2 more, and we're going to pulse it in 3, 2, 1. So pulse, up, up. Ooh, find the balance. Little pulses. But I will say, for my mom's birthday this year, I bought her one of those mini, not elliptical, but oh my gosh, so bad with remembering what I bought. Like a mini pedal bike for her feet. So when she watches TV, you can pedal. She really likes it so far. So if you have one of those, you know what I'm talking about. For 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Good. Shake it out. All right, we're going to finish off with those squats one last time. Squats are most effective here. So open up those feet. Here we go. Last round. Squatting down for 2 and up for 2. All right, so now everything is very fired up. You can feel the engagement. Maybe you can get even deeper in those squats. Keep that chest tall. So what tends to happen is when we get tired, we lean forward. So find the opening of the chest. Shoulders away from the ears. Nice. Down, down, come up. Lower down. Pushing off. Squatting down. Coming up. 2 more. All right, now instead of 3 pulse, we are pulsing all together. Keep pulsing down, down, pulse, pulse. 1 and 2, here we go. 8, you got this. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stand up tall. Ooh, shake out those legs. Oh, catch your breath here. Maybe circle the knee out and around. Just a little stretch here for 4, 3, but well done. 2 and 1. All right, thank you for exercising with me. Again, those are the simple leg exercises you can do anywhere at home, at work. If you like this video, leave me a comment. Be sure to click that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next workouts. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.